Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 70. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's find Files app and enter it. Thanks to this app, you've got access to your recent files, images, videos, documents and audio. Also, you can clean up your files, create new folders and manage folders, check your internal storage, favorite save, network neighborhood, recently deleted, downloads and recorders. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.